Hello guys, welcome back in today's video. So you don't know how to delete your playlist and how to create one. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. First open up your channel or any video you want a playlist. I'm going to do like this, save to playlist. See, it shows. I already have many playlists here. I'm going to create a new one. Um I'm gonna name it like Demo Boy, and then I'm gonna put it public, your wish, public, unlisted. I'll just put unlisted. I'll just put create, and there is playlists. And to delete the playlist, there are two ways. Short, look, where is the playlist I just made? Look, if it doesn't come, just refresh the page. Hmm. I think it won't come here. Wait a second. Oh, we saved it unlisted. That's why it doesn't come. We have to edit the playlist first. First, we have to go to YouTube Studio here. YouTube Studio, and then you have content means your videos, and then playlists. Click on playlists, and look, you have so many. I put unlisted, that's why this doesn't come. Demo Boy, you can just put edit in YouTube or watch on YouTube. You can just edit on YouTube, and then three dots you see here, just put delete playlist. Yes, you know it will be deleted. And then if it's still not being deleted, refresh the page. Now look guys, it's deleted. That playlist Demo Boy has been deleted. So that's how you like change thingy. Okay, see you in the next tutorial guys. Please comment if you want any tutorials, and see you in the next.